It's July 31st this morning, and I'm here in the Pintler-Anaconda Wilderness in western Montana, and I'm hiking Warren Peak. Warren Peak is the tallest mountain in the Anaconda Mountains, and it stands at 10,400 feet. I'm taking the Edith Lake trail this morning. This trail is about 6.5 to 7 miles to the summit, and the elevation gain should be about 4,500 feet. All right, the trail continues behind me, but I can actually cut up about 3 miles if I just go straight up through this boulder field. So I think I'm gonna attempt it and see if I regret that decision. I just finished the ridge walk, so I'm here kind of in the final saddle, and I'm about to push up the side of Warren Peak right there. So it's only about maybe a half mile to the summit, but it's about 1,000 feet of elevation gain, so this is kind of the part that is gonna hurt. I am at the summit of Warren Peak. I'm at 10,400 feet right now. The trail was about 6.8 miles, and I gained just a little over 4,000 feet of elevation gain. It took me about 5 hours to get up here. I'll say it was a pretty decently difficult hike, but it was awesome, and the views are definitely not disappointing at all.